Then next important definition is derivation. Okay. So what is meaning of derivation? So here if you see, the process of deriving a string is called a derivation. Okay. So here this is the grammar, S is deriving, capital S is deriving, this is the terminal, non-terminal, and this is terminal, non-terminal, terminal, and this is also a terminal. So S is a variable non-terminal deriving this one actually. So here this given string is, so the given string, the given word is this one. So this is what the string. Okay. So this word we are going to derive by using this grammar. So that is what actually the derivation. So how you can generate this word? So this word, first if you take yes, okay, then this yes we are going to replace with this production actually, A S B. So A S B. Now this is terminal, this is terminal, further exploring is not possible, but this is non-terminal, that means this is a variable. So this is going to have further derivation, again S is saying that same thing you can take to generate this word. So that is what A is there as it is, in this place you can substitute again same thing. So that is what A S B, this is what replaced with this position and remaining B. Now okay, we are almost close to this given word, but S is there. Now in this S position what you can substitute, epsilon also you can substitute, right? S is also deriving epsilon. So that means A epsilon B B. What is epsilon meaning? It is 0 length. So that is why A B B. So this is, so this given string we are able to derive from this grammar. So this process we are calling as a derivation. This is very important for our discussion. Okay. Then when you can say this geometrical representation, that means graphical representation, that is what the tree structure. So let us see how you will construct tree for this. So S is there. So S is deriving ASB. So that is what ASB. And again S is deriving ASB. So that is ASB. So this S, that means this one is deriving this one. So and then next this S is again deriving epsilon. So that is what epsilon. So if you write this one left to right, you are going to get our given word, that is what the string. So this is what first of all a derivation. So in this derivation we are going to have two types, that is leftmost derivation and next one is rightmost derivation. As name implies, what is leftmost derivation, what is rightmost derivation. Okay. Then in the derivation again we are going to have two parts, that is leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. So what is meaning of leftmost derivation? As name implies you can tell. So in a production sometimes you may have more than one non-terminal. Okay. So at that time we are going to expand always leftmost non-terminal. Okay. So for example in this case we have only one non-terminal, so that only we are going to expand always. Okay. If you have more than one, you are going to expand always leftmost one. Okay. Then what is the rightmost derivation? So same thing, opposite to this, always we are expanding or deriving always rightmost non-terminal. Okay. For example here if you see, so leftmost derivation if you observe, so this word we have to generate from the given grammar. So initially start symbol yes. So from this S to generate this one I can take this one. So that is what AS. Next to generate a remaining string what I have to do, again I have to expand this S. So this S I am taking same AS I can take AS. Next again S is I can take this also. Now if you take this one, triple A is generated, or you can get some other tree also. So say for same word, so S, SA, then next SA, then S. So even this tree also is giving same word. or you can generate some other tree. So, that is SA and this one AS and this one A, or in another way S if you take AS and SA then A, even this is also giving same word. Okay. So, here in this case, because RHS side we have only one non-terminal, leftmost derivation, rightmost derivation both is same. So, that is why this also you can say rightmost derivation also. Okay. So, we will understand whenever you have the productions which have more than one non-terminal in right hand side.